Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are going to solve question number 4. Uh, so in this question, we have to draw the drawing. Okay, the part is given to us, and we have to define all its dimensions by using drawing sheet and all its initials on the sheets. So let's start. First of all, go to the part. So, question number 3 and open this. So now the part is open. This is the part we have to put on drawing sheet. Okay, now go to the home and open drawing sheet. Okay, after opening drawing sheet, we have to open landscape because it's given in the question. So we browse landscape. Okay, after landscape, let me check. Is it landscape? Yes, landscape. Okay, see now landscape is open. Now click this part twice. Okay, after double clicking, I bring the mouse here, and uh, this is what you can see. Okay, now click this, and after when you take it here, click this, and again click this. Okay, and okay, you can drag it here by clicking it here. Okay, fine. Now let's go to the layout and view. Okay, let's go to the detail view and see this detail view. Okay, sorry, again detail view. That's it. And this is a detail view of that part, A part. Okay, so now we have to give dimensions. Okay, for that purpose, like this part, sorry, annotation, model item. After selecting model item, select entire model. Okay, select entire model. See the dimensions. We see all these dimensions are given. Now we go here and set there. Okay, this is 6 and this is 10. Okay, this is 30. Okay, again, sorry, drag it here. Okay, now this is the angle between. Okay, this is too much messy. Okay, as it is given in the question that we have to define everything, every tangent, so that's why I selected that thing. 90, 60. Okay, That's it. Okay, similarly we have to define all of these things. Okay, see, so this is all we can set by ourselves. This is too much messy. Okay, so these were the dimensions that we defined. Okay, now again we have to define the initials. Okay, so how we can define the initials? Just zoom out, right click, edit sheet format. Okay, after edit sheet format, click here, whatever name you want to give. I'm writing it here. Okay, sheet name, cross, what is the date? 12 Jan 2020. Okay, name. So whatever you wanna put parameters here, you can put by it yourself, and whatever you need to do. Okay. So after doing that, you can do exit. Okay, and this and control S. Okay. So this is question number 4. So I am gonna save it by the name question number 4. Further thing to be noted that it is drawing, so its extension is SLD or D or W. Okay, if it is the part, then SLD, PRT is the dimensions. Okay, see, that's all from my side. Thank you very much.